Well, I'm in New Jersey, and in spite of the blizzard we had and more snow this morning, I made it to Aldi's for the Aldi Finds Day. And as we come in, they have easy storage, waterproof, I guess they're like a bucket. I don't know. Let me see. What does it say on there? Easy storage, 52.8 quart gasket bucket, and it's $9.99. And back there, they have crystal print area rugs, and they are 6 by 9. There's different designs, and they're $49.99. And moving over here, they have character area rugs for $24.99. And I can see they have Stitch, Disney Princess, Spider-Man, and of course, Bluey. And moving over here are foam stacking cubes, ages 2+. And let me see, those are $19.99. And there's something else over here. Let me move over, because this is just as I'm coming in. Oh, these are gymnastics balance beam. Gymnastics balance beam or tumbling mats. And they've got them in like a lime green and a pink. It says ages 3+, and they are $24.99. Here are 9-quart stainless steel stock pots, and they are $29.99 each. These are 10-inch cast iron deep skillets for $14.99. These are interesting. They're giant knot pillows. And they come in, looks like 4 different colors. There's a blue and there's a dark brown. I think they're supposed to be, I see what looks like black, and I think they're supposed to be a cream, but I don't see that. And those are $19.99 each. Looks like they still have some cordless cyclonic stick vacuums left from last week, and they are $79.99. Here are air fryer liners for $6.99. Now it looks to me like they have mostly the round ones here with the partition in the middle, but on the box it shows these different varieties, but they must be gone. They're $6.99 each. Here are Kirkton House quilted mattress pads. Looks like they have the king size here, and they are $24.99 each. Looks like they have the ladies' genuine leather slides still here from last week. They're like in a tan color, and I think they have black. I see mostly sizes 7, 8, and 9, and they're $14.99 each. Here they have Weekender duffel bags, and I see solid black, a gray, and I see this black and white stripe, and those are $29.99 each. Here's a variety of reading glasses, and they come with a case, and they are $4.99 each. Here are Sarah denim jackets. They have them sizes small through extra large. Most of them they seem to have here are like an animal print. And then they have your denim blue, and I think they have a white or an off-white in the back, and they are $16.99 each. This is new today. This is an Ambiana wide mouth juice extractor, and that is $39.99. It says extra large opening, safety locking arm, 2-speed adjustable setting, and accessories included a cleaning brush. So there's that. You have your choice. You can either get the wide mouth juice extractor or the cold press juicer, and they're both $39.99 each. I have a feeling because of the major blizzard we had here, we had about 18 inches of snow. And it snowed again this morning for a little while. Maybe they didn't get a lot in because I see a lot here from last week. But these are the St. Patrick's Day 3-wick candles, and they have a different design on each one, and they are $3.99 each. Here are Sarah's Relaxed Rib Lounge set. They come in sizes small through extra large, and you can see the top, and then they come with the shorts, and they are $14.99 each. Sizes small through extra large. I think they come in 2 colors. I see a light blue, and I think they're supposed to be a cream. Let me see if I can see it. Yes, here you go. They come in light blue or they come in a cream color. Here are 2 packs of Sarah ladies soft leggings. I felt them. They're very soft. They're almost like a tight, to be honest with you. And they're $9.99 for the 2-pack. And I see them. Some of them are the 2-pack of gray and brown, and then you have like a black with a design back there. It looks like an animal print. So that's the 2-pack for $9.99. And next to it we have men's lounge pants. You can see them here. It looks like they have them in black, dark brown, and a blue. Sizes small through extra large, and they are $14.99 each. Well, these are beautiful. These are Kirkton House cut glass candle holders. There's a couple of different varieties. I don't know if you can get the true beauty of them, but they are very pretty. And they're $9.99 each. Up top here are Kirkton House twisted taper candles. There's a couple of different colors there, and you get a 2-pack for $3.49. Here are Kirkton House botanical reed diffusers, and you can see you get the bottle in there and then the reeds to put in there. They have a couple of different scents. I see Lazy Sunday, and I see Summer Breeze and Spring Awakening, and they are $6.99 each. Up top here are kitchen sink gadgets, and you can see they have the soap dispenser with the sponge, and they have the over the sink or over the faucet caddy, and you have your choice there of a couple of different ones, and they are $3.99 each. Down here on the bottom are 2-tier benches. You can see the picture here. I can't lift them up, but the assembled dimensions are here: 35.43 inches by 11.81 by 17.71. Multifunctional design, crafted of bamboo wood, easy to assemble, and quick thick foam padding. And they are $39.99 each. Here are 2 packs of scrub pads, and they're different designs, and they are $2.99 for the pack. Here are kitchen comfort mats. They have quite a few different designs in there. I see they have lemons. I think lemons is a big thing this year, and those are $6.99 each. Here are, it looks like a set of 2. They call them spice cellars, and they have they're beechwood, and they have the lids and the spoons, and they are $3.99 for the set. Up here are the wood and silicone utensil set. Obviously they made them to match the frying pans and the saute pan. They are in blue and green with the wood handles, and they are $9.99 for the set. Here's your choice of either a can opener or multi-purpose shears with a sheath. And they're showing you the different colors on the box, but I see mostly the green and the blue to match the pans. And there is no price on them yet, so I can't give that to you. But right next door for $4.99 are the prep and fold cutting boards. Those are interesting. Prep and fold cutting boards, or you can get the 2-pack prep and fold cutting boards. Not quite understanding that, but they are $2.49. Maybe they're different sizes, because for that price you either get one, maybe the larger one, or 2 of the smaller ones. So there you go, the prep and fold cutting board. Here they have your waffle pan. It says pancake, crepe, or omelet pan. And I'm trying to look in there. You can put it on electric, gas, halogen, glass, ceramic, heating elements, hand wash only, and feels like it's cast iron to me. And those are $12.99 each. If you want an immersion blender, Ambiano has one here for you for $24.99. It says immersion blender with chopping bowl. So here they are. Here's your set of glass bowls with snapping lids. And let me see. You get 12 pieces, it says. And you can either get rectangular or round, and they are $14.99 each. These are interesting. I don't think I've seen these. This is a microwave waffle maker. It says you can make grilled cheese or your waffles, and it's $14.99 each. It's by Crofton, and they have the little picture on the box here. Down the bottom here are oversized serving bowls by Crofton, and they are $16.99 each. At the end of the aisle, I noticed they had Littletown Move and Build balancing stones. They're stepping stones for the little ones, I guess, and they are $12.99 for the box. Up here they have disc climbing ropes. You can see a little girl on the front of the box climbing up the ropes. It says Littletown, you have the choice of a hanging bar or a disc swing for $12.99. So this here is the climbing rope, and then next to it you can see is the hanging bar. They're both the same price, $12.99. Oh my, down here is the kids foam pit with balls, 12 months and up. Machine washable covers, 68 walls included, expands when open, and that is $29.99. On the food side, they have some interesting items. I guess this is for St. Patrick's Day. They have the limited edition family size Lucky Charms, or they also have Rainbow Sprinkle Lucky Charms. They're $4.93 for the large box. I'm gonna grab one because I want to make my Lucky Charm pie again this year. Here are your beer bread mix and your soda bread mix. And they are $2.49 for the box. I made my own beer bread the other day and it was so delicious. Only 3 ingredients. But this is a good price for these. Here's some hot honey cornbread mix. And they have either the hot honey or the cinnamon churro, and they are $1.49 each. Oh, they have out the St. Patrick's Day frosted sugar cookies by Loft House, and they are $3.95 each. And over here for $3.89 are the 2-bite assorted St. Patrick's Day cupcakes. Well, another Wednesday here and gone for Aldi Finds. I just enjoy going. I love to see what they have. Well, St. Patrick's Day will be coming to an end, so Easter's right around the corner. So something tells me our Aldi Finds are going to start having some Easter goodies in that aisle of wonder, and they'll be fun to see. So I hope you enjoyed this. Trust me, I trucked on out there in a lot of snow to make this for you. So I do hope you enjoyed it. And I will see you all hopefully next Wednesday. Don't forget, if you did like this, give me a thumbs up and make a comment. And Cinnamon and I will see you soon. Toodles!